Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Ayan's Coding Club, and today we are gonna be doing Shooter Game Part 4, and if you didn't watch Part 1 till 3, so please watch it. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna edit the hearts first because it don't really looks like heart, I think, and we should edit it. So okay, and I think like this, little like this. Okay, and now I'm going to delete these and duplicate it like this, duplicate, okay, and duplicate it again, okay. Okay, I think we are done, and now let's get started. Go to events and pick out when select click, and I'm going to make a variable like lives, 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 and click OK. And now go to set lives to 3 and then show. Okay, yes, sure. And then go to forever, switch costume to lives, switch costume to lives, and then what else? Okay, go to control, and if lives less than 1, stop this script. Okay, stop this script. And now I'm going to select some code for the spray, pick out events, and go to sensing, and go to controls, forever, and if touching sprite 3, change life by -1. Okay, let's see what happens when I touch the. Okay, why isn't it happening? Let's see the problem here. Okay, and it's happening so fast, so I'll add wait 0.5 seconds, like, okay, that's enough. What happens? And okay, and we have a complete sprite of the lives, and I think we are done with the hearts, the lives, and now I will start making a new sprite which will be the score. So let's get started and make this sprite. Okay, now we are gonna add 0 instead of 10. Okay, now our score sprite is completed, or you can say it not a score, but you can say the digits. It's digits like. So let's get started coding for it. First, I'm gonna pick out when I started the clone, then show, and then go to controls, forever, and see, go to front, and then I think set size to 110. I think so. I think when I ran, okay, and now we are gonna go to control and select if else. Go to operators, less than, and I'm gonna add a variable like digits. So let's do that. Okay, and I'm gonna click OK, I think. Okay, for this right on. Okay. And now if less than digits, I go to operators, and if length of I'm gonna make another variable which will be the score. Okay, and if length of score less than the digits, we will hide, and else show, and then switch costume to letter digit of the score. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the virus and change score by 1 when it dies, and I will go to the spray and set the score to 0 when it starts. And let's see, now I'll go pick out when flop clicked and then go to data, set digits to 1 and repeat, I think 30 times or so, 30 times, and create a clone of myself. Where is it? Okay, create a clone of myself, and go to data and change digits by 1, and then go to looks and select height. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, and the score is changing on both sides, and now let's place the digit where it's supposed to be. But first I'm gonna go to harsh and create a score text right here, like, okay, and score. Okay, and we are done. Okay, I'm gonna move this a little bit downwards, like so. Okay, and I think it is done. And now I'm going to duplicate it and like this. Okay. And I think we are done. The score is here. Go to scripts and let's set the position. I think the position will be, go to motions and go pick out go to here and go to operators and pick out this and this and put the multiplication sign inside the minus and go to data and digits. Digits multiply by, let's say, 20 or so, and minus by 170, I think so. I think it might work. 115. Oh, sorry, 115. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, and I think I should move this a little bit up in the Y position, like here. It's 163. 163, I think. Okay, now I should move this in the X position, like 850. Okay, sorry, not 850. But first I should remove these. Okay, and these and these, and now we can easily change their size. And I think 750. Okay, 51, not 56. Okay, 500. Oh, sorry. 500. 600. I think it should be right here, like 1, 4, 3. Okay, I think it's supposed to be better. 1, 5, 3. Okay, and 1, 6, 3. 169. Okay, 179. A little bit far. 177. Okay, I think it's done, and just a little bit of Y position. 1, 6, 5. Okay, not, maybe not. 164. Okay. 163. I think. Okay, now it's perfect, and we are done here, I think. And let's play and let's see what happens. Now, oh, sorry, I forgot to put it back like this. Okay, now again, and I think these are changing, and the lives are also changing, and I think it's done. And I think it's time to wrap up this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the part 4 of the shooter game, and I'll see you all next time. For now, goodbye.